Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick little video for those of you that have read, of course, the news or view my videos regularly. You might know that we are now 75%, a little more than of Windows 10 computers that are running Fall Careers Update, which also means that some of you have maybe not seen the update. So to respond to a few questions that I have received about will I ever get it or not. Now, Microsoft issued a statement about a week ago, or maybe 2 weeks ago, when they said that Windows 10 Fall Careers Update was full availability. They also, in the same statement, issued that if you don't see it, you can probably safely download it and install it yourself. So if you're not on Fall Careers Update and you look at your Windows updates, it's not there, and you feel like you would like to upgrade, Microsoft seems to say that it's pretty safe for everybody to just do so. So I will post the link to this page in the description below the video. What I would say is the best course of action is, of course, to click the Update Now button here. This will download a little something that's going to upgrade your system, and you can also download the tool now, which is the media creation tool. From the tool, you can also click the Upgrade button directly, which means that you should be in Windows 10 Fall Careers Update after a certain amount of time. And Microsoft seems to say, come on, go ahead. If you don't see it, just do it. It's okay. So maybe you want to finally get it. Maybe you've seen enough of comments and of people using it, and you're thinking, well, yeah, okay, no, I think it's time. I want to move on. And you want to take the risk because, well, let's be frank, there's always a small risk of something going wrong when you update, but in the Fall Careers Update, I mean, there's just so many upgrades and absolutely very little problems that we see, that it's actually a pretty safe bet to say that it's one of the things that you should do, because it probably will be okay, and you'll be at the latest version of Windows 10. So and as that 75% number was last week, so we're like probably a little more than that, and it's going to get you ready, slowly get you ready for what's coming, also because we're getting close to March now. I mean, this week we're starting the month of February. That's the month before the official release of what is next, Redstone 4. That still doesn't have a name, of course. So going to be interesting to see this. And well, you'll be able to upgrade. So why not go to this page? I'll post the link in the description below the video. So you just click on this, you'll be on this page. This is the official Microsoft page for Windows 10. And whatever or however you want to do it, several choices. You can click the Upgrade or Update Now button right here. You can download Tool Now and download a image of the Windows 10 Fall Careers Update that you can put on a USB thumb drive or a DVD for clean install, and you can also upgrade from here. So it's all of these possibilities are on this page, and upgrade to the latest version of Windows 10. So why not take the time to do it if you wish to do so. There's I always said there's a reason why it doesn't show up, but Microsoft has several times since then issued the, well, you should do it. So I guess they're pretty confident that even if it's not showing up, it should upgrade well on your system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.